Going viral and making money on TikTok Shop is not luck, it is purely skill, and I can actually prove that because I started a brand new TikTok Shop page. On that page, I only posted 4 videos, and within those 4 videos, one of them went viral. I got a 250,000 views, and it amassed a couple $1,000s in sales volume. And the thing with most people is they will start TikTok Shop, never get more than 10,000 views on a video, call it a scam, and give up. And that is just not the case. So in this video, I'm going to show you, one, what I did to get those 250,000 views on that video, and overall explain how you can replicate this in yourself within your own business. The overall framework to success here is not hard at all. Before you make a video, you just need to understand what product you're going to promote. Now, for me, I always tell people to lean into your strengths. If you're a mom, you can make videos on baby products. If you're jacked, you can make videos on gym supplements. For me, I was in Costa Rica literally just working, doing TikTok Shop for an entire month outside of the country, and I got very, very tan. So with that, I actually was scrolling and found this tanning gel product. It's viral. It's picking up a lot of traction right now. It's on sale. It's a new product, and it fits me because I am tan. I can show the before and after photos of me when I was pale to me versus now that I'm tan, so I have a unique selling point. Now that I found my unique selling point, I just simply looked at what other creators were doing with that product specifically. I saw a lot of creators showing a before and an after of them being pale and then being tan, so now I know I'm going to make some sort of before and after style video on this product, and this is where, now that I know what I'm doing, I can let my creative freedom take over. Now, obviously, all of this research I'm doing is on this tanning gel specifically, but what's worked across different products can also work on this. It's not on a just product to product basis. So a prime example here is last month there was 2 really big products that I noticed and that caught my eye. One of them is a hair roller where you literally roll it on your hairline where you might be receding or balding, and this oil comes out and helps you grow your hair back. And so everyone in the video starts off their videos just rolling their hairline and making a joke about saving money on a trip to Turkey, and that is their hook. The other one was a teeth whitening product where they would smile and paint this pin on their teeth while they're talking, and they're visually showing what the product does while they're talking. So I've noticed that a lot of viral videos recently are showing the product being used while they're saying their hook out loud, and since this tanning gel can literally be rubbed on my body, that is exactly what I did and what I used to get your attention in the first couple seconds and hopefully drive a sale. So diving even deeper into the strategy, now I have my baseline framework. I know what product I'm going to promote, I know the selling angles that are working for that product, and I know the visual angles that are working for other products. So now I'm just going to simply combine all of this into one video and just go film the content, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to overlay the video right now on screen so you can watch what I produce, and then I'll come back and commentate afterwards. You know, girls say beauty is pain. This isn't painful, but I do look a little funny, I'm not going to lie, but you are not going to catch me looking pasty white this summer. Look, this is the old me, this is the new me, baby. I know I look a little crazy right now. It's because this stuff is brown, but once I rub it in, woo, we're getting tan, baby. And do not confuse this with a self-tanner. I'm not putting that junk on my body. This is simply a gel. You grab it, it looks super dark. You rub it on. I know I look crazy, but you rub it on, it actually absorbs the sun a little better and helps you retain that tan skin tone. I've been using it for a week. You can't fake this. Like, that is the old me. It's crazy white, and this is the new me, tan. Get tan this summer. I am sorry though, it is a little expensive, but I linked it right there. Just trust me. And that's it. It is literally that simple. I found a product that was hot just by scrolling on TikTok and looking at what is working in the market right now. I found a selling angle for that product that fits me directly because I am tan. I looked at what's working across other products and other videos from different creators on the platform in the here and now, because with TikTok Shop, being urgent and following the trends is very, very important. And I combined all of that into one short 20 to 30-second video, which produced a few $1,000s in sales volume. And now if you do this over and over and over again, this is how you make the big bucks on TikTok Shop. Obviously, this is a shorter video. I'm outlining just this one piece of content, but this can be replicatable across literally anything. And if you like this video, we actually do webinars every single Sunday. I'm going to have a link in the description. I'm going to go live for 2 hours this Sunday and explain literally every single thing that I know and love about TikTok Shop. I will show you all my strategies, how I'm making money, student results, literally every single thing you could possibly need. So if you want to sign up, there's a link in the description to that.